When will babies sleep at night without interruptions? Throughout the 9 months of pregnancy, parents prepare themselves for the multiple sleepless nights. However, you wouldn't be telling the truth if you say that you do not wish for a peaceful night of sleep after your little one graced your world. Well, sleeping becomes the most challenging job of all once you enter parenthood. The initial few months of babyhood requires all the parents to parade through the night while the baby expresses his needs in the form of tears. After a few exhausting nights, it is anything but natural for you to wonder when your little one will sleep through the night. If your baby is just a few weeks old, you should get used to their and your irregular sleeping patterns. A baby's crying party at night goes on for about 4 to 6 months. If your baby is about to hit his 4th milestone or even is far away from it, getting to know some optimistic things about a baby's settled sleep schedule is never a bad idea. We have all the information regarding your baby's sleeping patterns packed for you in this exclusive video. What does sleeping through the night mean in baby terms? The basics. Sleeping through the night does not actually mean that your baby will transfer all his day's sleep to nighttime. But the good news is that they shift more than half of their total sleep hours to night. By the time babies are 4 to 6 months old, they begin to sleep about 6 to 8 hours at night. A baby's sleep requirement is about 10 to 12 hours per day. Make sure that your angel is getting at least 3 to 4 naps of an hour before you put him or her to bed. Developmental goals at this stage. Number 1. A newborn's reflexes. Babies younger than 4 months have something known as the Moro reflex or startle reflex. This reflex action means that your baby's limbs jerk when they get triggered due to various stimuli like loud noises, temperature change, nightmares, and too much movement around them. Babies wake up frequently during the night due to startle reflexes. However, these reflexes keep decreasing and vanish entirely by the end of their 4th month. Number 2. Your baby's weight and length. Your baby gains an adequate amount of weight due to increased feeding frequency by his 4th month. You will start to see them asking for fewer feedings at night as he or she transitions into the phase of an uninterrupted slumber during the night. Number 3. Baby's habit of self-soothing. In case you were wondering how your baby manages to fall asleep by themselves after 4 to 6 months, self-soothing is the reason. In the later months, babies can soothe themselves back to sleep by using adorable tricks like sucking on their hand or a pacifier. It is a mandatory skill developed in all babies for them to start sleeping by themselves. Can your baby postpone or prepone sleeping through the night? All babies are different. Babies might follow the usual pattern and start sleeping at night within 4 or 5 months, or they can enter into sleep regression. So, what is sleep regression? Babies are not very predictable, are they? Your little one might be sleeping without waking up in the middle of the night for a few weeks now. But the happy days come to an end when he regresses to his or her old sleep routine. This is not something out of the common and may happen to your baby if they have separation anxiety. Their bedtime routine keeps getting messed up due to naps or likeness, teething, traveling, illnesses, and practicing tricks like crawling and sitting up at night. Remember, your baby can go through sleep regression without ever entering the phase of uniform sleeping patterns. If you are having second thoughts about the normalcy of your baby's sleeping routine, ring your pediatrician for a quick questionnaire. Enhancing your baby's night sleep quality. You would love to know that you are not entirely helpless in your baby's sleep situation. If your baby is about to reach the 4th month, there are some ways in which you can help them. The most promising of these methods being making your baby familiar with a sleep schedule. Keep these points in mind before creating a timetable for them. Baby's bedtime. The most appropriate time for putting your baby to bed for his night sleep is around 7 to 7:30 in the evening. Contrary to what happens with humans, overtired babies have trouble falling asleep at night. Putting them in the crib. It is essential for the baby to think of their crib as a safe space. For this to happen, instead of putting your baby in the crib after falling asleep, put your little one in the crib around bedtime and then soothe him or her to sleep. Being familiar with their crib helps avoid your baby's chances of getting scared at night due to unfamiliarity. Be consistent. You might find plenty of pre-made schedules for your baby's sleep timetable. We suggest that once you start using a timetable, stick to it. Changing babies' nap times and bedtime might disturb their sleeping pattern, and both of you will have trouble adjusting. Making the baby an independent sleeper. It would be for your baby's best interests if you let them learn how to fall asleep on their own. Else, whenever they wake up, they will not be able to fall asleep without your help. Takeaway: parents, this is all from us today. If your baby is a sound sleeper or is making progress towards being one, we hope we offered you enough relevant information for both situations. Keep counting on us for more such content. That's all from us today. We want you to know that your voice is important to us. So please leave a comment below. If you are new here, then click the bell icon for notifications of our new videos and subscribe to our channel.